Hello everyone, this is Zuhra from infosharing360.com. Alright, so the question that we are going to cover in this video is about motivation. If the interviewer asks what motivates you, in response, you should say something like, well, I get motivated whenever I devise a strategy or a plan to achieve a tough target or goal, and that particular strategy or plan pays off in achieving the target or goal. Other than that, managing and finishing a project ahead of schedule also motivates me. I also get motivated whenever my services are recognized or valued after solving a complex problem. Another example in my case is that I always get motivated when I teach new skills to my juniors or team members, or you can say subordinates, and they then share positive views about how that particular skill helped them in achieving their target or goal. Lastly, learning new skills and achieving good results after implementing those skills or strategies also motivates me. Well, for better understanding, I'm displaying some additional information about motivation types and which one should be communicated against such interview questions. So basically, there are two types of motivations. One is intrinsic and the other one is extrinsic. So paycheck or cash reward is an example of extrinsic motivation, and on the other hand, desire to meet a challenge or the joy of completing a task is an example of intrinsic motivation. So we should always communicate intrinsic motivations. In the end, this is the complete answer. You can select relevant keywords, points, or prepare answer in your own words as per your convenience. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing360. Thank you for watching this video.